No matter how many storms arise, love surpasses and calms them all. Love soothes the raging winds, lightning, and thunders from above and within. True love, with all its unfailing might, mends securely whatever has been torn apart. Love is what created this world and all life that is shared upon this earth. Love has no fear of rejection because it is not bound by race, creed, or color. Love is truth and hope for all mankind. Love is the success of our spirits. Love is unselfish. It gives abundantly without any preconceptions. Love is our hearts, minds, thoughts, desires, dreams, souls, and even the blood that flows through our bodies. Love can sustain the strong and strengthen the weak. Love heals and puts a song of sweet melodies in our living. Love is the pot of gold at the end of all of our storms and rainbows. Understand this poem, and you'll realize the true meaning of Dr. Martin Luther King's speech, "I have a dream."